Affresh washing machine cleaner and machine cleaning wipes are designed to clean the inside and outside of all washing machines. To use the cleaner, make sure all clothing and items have been removed from the washing machine first. Then, place one tablet directly into the washer. Next, select a normal or heavy cycle with the hot water setting. If your washer has a clean cycle, then select clean. For machines with a noticeable odor, run 3 consecutive cycles, using one tablet for each cycle. And be sure to use once a month to keep your washing machine looking like new. Cleaning the outside of your washing machine is easy too. Simply remove a wipe from the pouch, making sure to reseal it. Then, wipe the machine using both sides as you clean. When you're finished, dispose of the wipe in the trash. Never flush it. Use weekly to help keep your machine looking like new. And when used together with the cleaner, you can complete your clean.
Swirlz tablets are the easiest job on your chore list. Let EcoGal do the scrubbing on the unseen area of the washing machine. The inner ring of the washing tub collects odorous buildup. If you could see it, it would look like something you would see in a toilet. Luckily, you don't need to get out the rubber gloves. EcoGal does the scrubbing. Swirlz is the best washing machine cleaner because of the dual layer soap and foaming agent. Extend the life of your washer and get your clothes cleaner with EcoGal's Swirlz washing machine cleaning tablets. Here's how it works. Simply remove all the items from the washing tub. Place 2 Swirlz tablets in the machine. Select a normal cycle with a hot water setting. Let the cycle completely run. EcoGal's tablets should be used once a month to extend the life of your washing machine and boost the cleanliness of the washing cycle. Fresh, green, and clean. Thanks, EcoGal.
These little tablets right here have an instant cleaning powder that will remove all odors from your washing machine.
Was a game changer. Once you use these, your clothes smell so much better, they look so much brighter.
Ever used laundry machines build up grime, soap, scum, calcium, and lime?
All you have to do is turn it on a normal wash with hot water and let the tablet clean, deodorize, refresh, and protect your washing machine.
I'm telling you guys, you need this product.
Clothes will come out so clean and smelling fresher than ever.
Are you looking for an easy way to clean your laundry? Well, look no further than the TrueFresh washing machine cleaner. Using TrueFresh washing cleaner will remove all odors from your washing machine and make it smell really nice. All washing machines are full of soap, scum, and bad smells. And with TrueFresh, your washing machine will be clean, refreshed, deodorized, and protected. After using TrueFresh, you will get a clean and healthy environment for best cleaning your clothes.